Bye, Mommy. Bye.
Hi, Mommy. Bye, Mommy. Come on, take a walk on your beach. I have him. Remember to let me get Wild Dragon. Come on, let's check it out.
Daddy's off a week of vacation.
A vacation? Can I go there too?
Well, we are here. Daddy's here. He's here for 5 days on vacation.
I'm going on a vacation too.
You are. You're here. You're right.
I'm going on a vacation too. I'm going on vacation too, Daddy. I'm going on vacation too, Daddy. Don't mess with that camera.
You're right. You're going on my vacation. We want to go to Mississippi, but the blueberries, they're little tiny blueberries, and I don't think we can pick any big ones. Mommy called today, and the woman said she really doesn't have enough of the big blueberries.
I know we can pick them if we float them with our blowers. The white blowers on our jacket, so we can blow them up to be bigger and bigger.
Right, it's getting cloudy over Metairie. You are desperately in need of rain.